I want you to look at this. What is this type of chart called? Who can remember? Isaac?
I think it's a stem and leaf chart.
Not a stem and leaf. Emma? A tally chart. A tally chart. So I want you to look at it. And I want you to think of a question that could be asked. If I put this on an assignment, what is one question you think could be asked? One question you think could be asked by your wonderful teacher. Eli, what is one question you think could be asked? Laurie, what's a question you think could be asked?
For instance, why would 2 on the number of movies be there and there's 10 where the number of students are?
Okay. Okay, Emma, what's a question you could ask about that tally chart?
What is the number of students that went in total that went to
Okay, total number of students. That would be a good question. Samantha's not here. Brinley, what's a question you could ask?
What is the greatest number of students that went to the movies compared to the least amount of students?
The greatest amount of students? Or the number of movies with the greatest amount and the number of movies with the least amount? Rylan.
What's the difference between, well, I don't know how to put this.
Okay, what's the difference? You could see what's the difference between the number of students, or the number of students that went to 2 movies versus the number of students that went to 4 movies?
But what's the odd one out and the number of students?
Okay. Which one is unlike the others? Is that what you're asking?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be a good question. Which one is unlike the others? Now you probably have to put justify or explain, because I could put 3, and it'd be hard for me to grade it if you just randomly put some. So you'd have to justify it. Anybody else have a question that could be asked? Drea.
How many more students went to the movies twice than once?
Good. How many more students went to the movies twice and once? Zane?
Let's say some new students came in last month, and you have to find the total and times it by 2.
Okay. So new students last month. Hilary?
How many movies were shown to the students?
Oh, good question. How many movies were shown to the students in all? Kaylee?
I was gonna say how many kids have watched 4 movies, 6 movies watched.
Okay. You can make a prediction. How many do you think have watched 6 movies? Good. Isaac?
Mine is, what fraction of the kids saw 3 movies?
What fraction of the kids saw 3 movies? Excellent. And we did something like that with the dot plot yesterday. Similar to that. Katie?
You said, what's the difference between the total number of students who chose 2 or less and the total number of students who chose 3 and 4?
All right, good. I like that. What's the difference between the students that chose 2 or less and the students that chose more than 2? Good. Susankia?
Why do you think more people watch 2 movies than 4 movies?
Okay, why do you think people watch 2 movies more than 4 movies?
Justify your answer.
Justify your answer. Good. Brenley?
If you added all of them up, could you divide them equally?
Oh, good. So is there can you use your divisibility rules to figure out something? Silas?
How many students didn't watch 4 movies?
Oh, how many students didn't watch 4 movies? Very good. These are all really good questions. I may have to try it, give you a chart or a graph and make you write questions about it. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the beast, please. I don't think that's true, but you know,
It's true.
it might be true.
Subscribe.